Hey! So this week we want to share with you how our week has been. It's been quite eventful. There's been some sad times, mostly happy times still, but we just want to share it with you. So sit back, relax, get yourself a drink.
Oh yeah,
we're gonna make ourselves one now, and then we'll catch you back, right? Go make your drink.
Let's show you how we make ours.
Yeah. Right, we've got our drink. Make sure you've got yours. Cheers. By the way, this is a skinny, what shall we call it? Iced decaf. Yeah, a skinny iced decaf.
Easy to make and so refreshing too.
Yeah.
So let's start our week. So first, by the way, it isn't so skinny if you put the cream on the top.
Really, it's skinny if you put zero calorie sweetener, yeah. So that's what makes it skinny, and then a little fatty on top. By the way, this week is going to be like a healthier eating week. Lots of what we did this week was focused on trying to be healthier and making healthier food choices. So
it was
a bit of that. Yeah,
it was good.
Yeah. So first, to start the week off, we went thrifting.
Oh yeah, charity shopping.
Yeah, so we had decided a long time ago that we wanted to upcycle some things, either to keep if they're suitable for us at home, or to gift. So the first part of the week, that's what we did.
Good morning, beautiful peeps. Hey. It's early-ish. It's after 8, and we think we're going on a little thrifting adventure. Yeah. Now we're not going to go thrifting just for the sake of thrift. Well, we're going to go thrifting for the sake of thrifting, but it doesn't mean we're necessarily going to buy anything if we don't need it, or have the space for it,
or have a plan for it.
Or have a plan. Yeah, remember we were thinking some days ago that we want some little project, something that we can upcycle, especially that a little bit of sun is left still. And also, if it's not an outdoor project, an indoor one could do, because winter is up. Yeah. So it might be that we find something that we can do indoors.
Yeah.
However, that being said, how are you?
Hey.
How's your day going?
Hey.
Anyway, have a good one. See you on the road. So when was the last time you went thrifting, guys? When was the last time you bought or got or used something, or upcycled something, gave it a second life?
Yeah.
Or third life in some cases.
Things like that. I like being eco-friendly as much as possible.
Yeah. Some really good things go in the bin, you know, and like in the tip, in the dump, really good things that people can benefit from. Yesterday we passed this, I don't even remember where we were, and saw a lovely table put outside with some beautiful legs. It's a small table.
And I know some American YouTubers who refinish furniture, and so would have a field day if they found that.
Yeah. We haven't got this space for big projects like that.
No.
But we really like giving things a second chance, or if we know somebody who needs it as well. Yeah. Anyway, we're near now to my first stop. So see you in the next clip. So we're gonna try these two. This one is Boutique Bargain, and then PDSA, that one. So this first. So we're back, and we just want to share with you quickly the few items that we got. We didn't get much, but I saw this nice little travel case, which my daughter has already claimed. You can have your toiletries and so on in it when you go traveling. So that, and then I got another toiletry bag, which is similar. That's what the inside should look like.
But does that one open out as well?
No, nor hang up. Oh, it does open out. Does open out. It's kind of compact, kind of shaped like a little lunch bag. Yeah. And then I got a brush head. I didn't buy more than one because I'm not sure if it will fit mine. Mine is an Oral-B as well, and this is Oral-B, so it's a replaceable.
Mine is an Oral-B as well. What is it?
Toothbrush head, electric toothbrush head. So I bought one. It was only £1. Oh, the bags were $1.49 each, the toiletry bags. And then I got this little train for my neighbor's son.
Not a train. It's a
fire engine. Fire engine, but he's just in love with engine type things, cars and trucks, like little boys. He's 2.5. So that's for him, and it was 99p. And the last two items, yeah, were some flower pots, shocking colors, which I'm not going to keep that way. So this one was 50p.
Okay.
And I don't know if I have any plant yet that can fit in it, but
there is one in the conservatory that's that size.
Yeah, all right. So is it the
green and white one?
Okay, so we'll go in that one, but I'm going to color it either black, white, or gray. Spray paint first. So look out for that little project.
Or you could use, I don't know if the fence panel paint you could do.
I don't think it will stick.
Oh, they have that sort of look. Pots.
Like terracotta.
Terracotta. Or if you put that terracotta and then splash it with some white or black.
Flicks off.
That is terrazzo now.
Yeah. And then this other one, which is larger, but burgundy. I like the color, but it just doesn't go with our decor right now. So it was £1. And that's all that we got.
And you'll spray paint that as well.
And I'll spray paint it as well. Yeah. Now on to, we came to this lovely package that we were looking out for, and it finally arrived. Are we going to say who it's from?
Yes.
It is from our loyal subscriber, Marva. Yeah. So it has our names on.
Leisa.
It says Leisa. So that is mine.
Joe. Nice idea to
package them separately. Oh, and this says letters to 16 strong biblical women from Marva. Wow.
And she actually wrote the book.
She wrote the book.
And she wrote it. It's tatting away with Marva.
That's her. Marva. Yeah, she has a channel that you should check out, guys, where she makes these lovely doilies.
Thank you, Marva.
Thank you very much.
But you know what I'm impressed by? The books and the writing, the letters. How did it come up, that you could write letters to these women? Of course, the women can't read these letters anymore. They were women from the Bible.
Yeah.
And I reached out to her and asked her, how did that come to you? And you know what? Which we can all appreciate.
Yeah.
She shared that the same issues that those women back then had, it's the same issues that women now have. So, yeah.
That's really nice and really thoughtful and special. So thank you so much, Marva. Thank you. I don't know what we're going to do with these, but we'll have a think. And then we'll let you see how we use them. Let me see.
We'll come up with something,
us. Yeah. But thanks again. Thank you. That's that. Back to work. Yeah, so that thrifting was a whole lot of fun. And then the gift from Marva, so special.
Thank you, Marva. We really appreciate it. And you will see what we end up doing with it as well.
Yeah, hopefully soon. I have a plan in mind.
Yeah.
And hopefully soon you'll see what they became. Now, the next thing we did was we wanted to do a little bit more craft. It's autumn now, which I like to say it's
jumped right over
Yeah,
autumn and into winter. But really, it is autumn. I hope you like our autumn looking colors this week.
This is the closest I could find.
Yeah. So anyway, we did some crafts, so let's share with you.
This was Lisa's crochet that she started over when we were on holiday, remember?
Yeah. It's nice and relaxing to just sit down and unwind and do something. So usually it's at the end of the day, or if I find myself with
time during the day.
Yes.
Or you want some downtime. It allows me to think really when I'm doing any craft like that.
Yeah. Relax and have nice thoughts. That's what it does to me. So this is our little bit that we did. It's not quite finished yet, and hopefully I'm going to finish it and show you. You'll definitely see.
Maybe next week's video. I started my cushion project as well, remember?
Yeah.
I won't show you any of it this week. I'll show you next week.
Okay.
Alright, so stay tuned.
Yeah, so I had some time to kill whilst I was waiting to go to the eye doctor, which I don't particularly like. So this crochet,
she liked it. You should have seen her modeling that she put on when she was at the doctor's waiting for her turn. It was like COVID safe, so the reception area was quite small and they didn't allow too many people in at one time. Watch the modeling. Wait, look. I'm waiting for my eye test at the eye place. They've dropped the drops in and I can hardly see, but I just tired of waiting, so I was putting on a little show for you. And Joe is about to show me a dance on her phone and I'm going to try to replicate it, okay? Hold on. Near. Next up, we had a grocery delivered for the week. So this is what we had. I like that we still get deliveries most of the time, because for bulky items it's better if somebody takes it in for you, right? So like these large boxes of drinks and juice and tissue, it's just bulky and so much easier for the professionals to deliver it. Yeah. So we got some popcorn, which we haven't tried it, canned things like condensed milk and evaporated milk and coconut milk. We love this bindi. Okra. Yeah, it comes frozen and mushrooms for breakfast, crackers, snacks, croissants, and we did a lovely breakfast with croissants twice. Yeah. Hopefully you'll get to see that. We found this coconut milk as well that we really liked. And now I'm going to be prepping some veg. So this is the beginning of the week as well, and we had decided that we're going to eat healthier. So this is us prepping some veg for salads. So we have lots of salads during the week and cooked vegetables as well. Cooked, steamed vegetables, yeah.
So we were running low on mostly fruits. We have lots of veg, but we're running low on fruits, so I just went and bought these. Joe is cooking those today. And I got figs. Joe's eaten it before, but I'm going to try it for the first time tomorrow morning for breakfast. I really like the healthy eating and I hope I'll be able to keep it up. But one of the exciting things that we tried for the first time was this thing called smoothie bowl. Yeah, I really did like that.
And it's suitable for different meals.
Yeah.
Or snacks.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning. Today I want to try something that I've seen a lot on Pinterest, especially I'm going to share some of the images I've seen. It's called a smoothie bowl. So you can have various fruits and sometimes veg as well, and some other delicacies like coconuts or cashew or so on in it. I'm going to make one with lots of toppings. I'll show you what I'm going to use, but the main part of the smoothie is going to be banana, frozen banana, sweet potato, and mandarin juice from a can of mandarin. And then let me show you the other things that I'm going to put on there.
So I've got coconut, pumpkin seed, I've got this vanilla syrup, it's 0 calories, and I've also got this skinny syrup, 0 calories as well, golden syrup. I've got golden syrup, which is super sweet. I might not use any of that.
I'm gonna use some sesame seeds, cashew nuts. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the cashew nuts as well. Then this can of mandarin, and then linseed also. The idea is that you just try to include lots more fiber in the form of fruits and veg in your diet, and so that's what we're trying out. And then if you make it super pretty, then it's more interesting to eat. So let's begin. Here's the base to my smoothie bowl. Sweet potato that has been cooked, and then bananas, one whole banana. Then I'm going to use the liquid from the mandarin. I like the look of that. So it's done, and I'd like to call it, it looks like a bowl of sunshine. Oh yeah, so we're gonna try it now. So I didn't have to put any of the sweeteners in because sweet potato is sweet, ripe banana is sweet, and mandarin juice is sweet. Yummy. I like it. And in the middle is linseed and sesame seed. Would you use this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or snack? Snack. Mm-hmm. It can be all three. No, not dinner. Breakfast, snack, lunch. Which light is that? Let me turn off this one. Try it, guys, and put what you like in it and see. Yeah. Some people make the base with the milk. Yeah. With some milk. I thought of that, but then I'd have to waste the liquid that's from the mandarin juice. Really nice. Try it, guys. So like we said, it's drawing closer and closer to winter, that time when you have to be locked in and it's cold and dark and nobody wants to go outside. And normally we don't go outside. The backyard doesn't get a visit during winter, honestly. So I wanted to, I wanted to take that fountain that we bought for the summer. I wanted to put it away so that it would be stored safely for next year. So I went outside and washed and dried it and then packed it away. It's still outside, but it's in a sealed box, so that it won't the metal parts won't rust because there are the 2 bits.
And even if cats visit our garden in the winter, then they won't be able to knock it over.
Right.
It's in a nice secure box.
So this day wasn't particularly cold. It was okay.
No.
So I could go out in my PJs. Pardon that. PJ bottom. Yeah, PJ bottom. And get that done. And it felt good knowing we'll have it for next year.
Yeah.
So look forward to seeing that feature in our garden next year. I don't know what colors we'll choose yet for the garden.
Yeah,
we
don't
haven't decided yet.
No. Let's
Maybe
multicultural. Multicolored, which represents multiculturalism.
Because we like that.
Yeah. I don't know how to start this part, but it was Thursday.
On the live.
We were live on air when we heard that the Queen had died. And it was so sad and
shocking. Because we didn't know really the extent of how ill she was.
Yeah, we had not been watching the news. I did know that on the Tuesday, the new Prime Minister was to be some ceremonial thing that the Queen usually does. But she was not in Buckingham Palace in London. She was in Balmoral Estate, in Scotland. And usually she'd come up if there's a new Prime Minister. But she didn't come up, so I thought, maybe she's resting, she's on holiday, so the Prime Minister can certainly go to meet her there.
Yeah.
But in the end, she was very ill. You can see even the black marks, I think from maybe Ivy or so.
Yeah.
But anyway, on the Thursday, whilst we were live, we learned that she had died. It was very shocking, very sad, because I do have a soft spot in my heart for the Queen. I do love...
I must say, by the way, we're not royalists, whatever that means, but we love to treat people as human beings.
Right.
And some people are saying, in the colonial past, what happened, and her ancestors did this and that. I'm sure you had people in your family who've done wrong things, and we don't want that. You wouldn't want that to taint your
whole family or you,
or how people see you.
So I think she carried out her duties well.
Loyally.
I can imagine sometimes she must be so tired and
yet
I have to get up and get dressed and go here and then go there, and tomorrow I have this and tomorrow. And she did it with always a smile on her face.
Such grace and class.
I'd like to be more regal in my next life. But that's it, people. That's how we spent our week. Sorry it ended on a sad note. We were sad, but all good things must come to an end. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you have come this far in our video, we hope that you consider subscribing. Hit that red subscribe button. Also like this video, and please do consider sharing with your friends and family.
Thank you so much for being with us. Bye.
Oh, try this.
Yeah, try this drink.
Waiting for the cream on the top, best thing.
Yeah. It's like ice cream. When you get to the bottom of the drink, it's like ice cream.
See you next week.
Delicious.